today my thoughts and prayers with the families of Martin Richard, Lindsay Lou, Crystal Campbell, Sean Collier, and the brave survivors whose lives have been forever changed by the events of April 15, 2013. I can't imagine what these families are feeling out there today. Over the past 9 months, the people of Boston have shown the world that we are a city full of heart and courage. We stand together as one Boston in the face of evil and hatred. Attorney General Holder has applied the law in this case, and I support the process that has brought him to this decision. As you all know, as a state representative, I voted against the death penalty. If I were to ask to vote on that today, I would vote the same way. But this is not my vote to cast or my decision to make. I support the judicial system, and I support the process that Holder put on today.
Mayor Walsh, in explaining that vote, you've said that you opposed the death penalty out of concern over a faulty verdict and your belief that life in prison was plenty enough punishment. Given the apparent certainty of guilt in this case and the gravity of the crime, does it give you any pause?
No, this is one tool that the jury will have to be able to, after the trial goes on, to decide if there's a guilty verdict found, another tool to decide. So life in prison is one of the options, as is the death penalty. I voted on it for many different reasons, voted against it. In 1997, when this issue first came up, I went through, I was a brand new state representative. I was in office 3 months. The issue was front and center for us. I sat with and talked to many, many people to talk about it. I sat with judges, and I sat with DAs, and I sat with families of victims. And at the end of the day, when I made my decision, I based it upon weighing the penalty as far as life in prison without parole. I felt was a far greater penalty than the death penalty.
Mayor?
Mr. Mayor, were you surprised that the defense decided to do this, pursue the death penalty?
No, not really. Not surprised. Not in this case. When you're dealing, not in this case.